Best indoor plants decoration ideas. Indoor plants are one of the easiest and most beautiful ways to decorate a home. They bring freshness, color, texture, and natural beauty into indoor spaces while creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Whether your home is modern, simple, traditional, or luxurious, indoor plants can make every room feel more alive and welcoming. Today, we are going to explore some of the best indoor plant decoration ideas that can completely transform your home beautifully. One of the most popular decoration ideas is creating a plant corner in the living room. Instead of placing plants separately around the house, many people group different plants together in one corner to create a mini indoor garden effect. Mixing tall plants, medium-sized plants, and smaller decorative plants creates depth and makes the area look stylish and organized. Using different plant stands and decorative pots also adds more beauty and variety to the arrangement. Hanging plants are another amazing way to decorate indoor spaces. Hanging baskets near windows, balconies, or empty walls create a soft and elegant look. Plants like pothose, ivy, string of pearls, and spider plants grow beautifully in hanging planters because their vines trail downward naturally. Hanging plants are especially useful for small apartments because they save floor space while still adding greenery. Shelves decorated with plants can instantly make a room look modern and aesthetic. You can place small potted plants between books, candles, photo frames, or decorative items. Trailing plants placed on high shelves create a beautiful waterfall effect as the vines hang down naturally. White shelves with green plants create a clean and peaceful appearance that works perfectly in bedrooms and living rooms. Another creative idea is using decorative plant stands. Plant stands raise plants to different heights, making arrangements look more balanced and attractive. Wooden stands create a warm natural feeling, while metal stands add a modern touch to home decor. Combining plants at different levels makes the room feel more dynamic and visually interesting. Large statement plants are perfect for filling empty corners. Tall plants like fiddle leaf figs, rubber plants, bird of paradise plants, and palms instantly make a room look luxurious and elegant. A single large plant near a sofa or window can completely change the atmosphere of the entire room. Windows are also wonderful places for indoor plant decoration. Sun-loving plants placed near bright windows grow beautifully while making the area look fresh and lively. Small succulents, herbs, and flowering plants on windowsills create a cheerful and refreshing environment. Bathrooms can also become beautiful with indoor plants. Moisture-loving plants like ferns, peace lilies, and pothose grow very well in bathrooms because of the humid environment. Even a small plant can make the bathroom feel more relaxing and spa-like. Dining tables and coffee tables look more elegant with small plant centerpieces. A simple green plant or flowering plant in a decorative pot adds freshness without taking too much space. Plants make dining areas feel warm, natural, and welcoming for guests and family members. Another stylish trend is vertical gardens. Wall-mounted planters allow you to grow multiple plants vertically, creating a living green wall inside your home. This idea works beautifully in modern apartments and small homes where space is limited. Decorative pots play a huge role in plant styling. Ceramic pots, woven baskets, clay pots, and modern minimalist planters all create different decoration styles. Matching plant pots with furniture or wall colors makes the overall room look more organized and harmonious. Lighting can make plant decoration even more beautiful. Warm fairy lights around plant shelves or corners create a cozy and magical atmosphere during the evening. Plants combined with soft lighting make indoor spaces feel calm and peaceful. The most important thing in plant decoration is balance. Too many plants can make a room feel crowded, while carefully arranged greenery creates freshness and beauty without overwhelming the space. Every room does not need dozens of plants. Even a few healthy, well-placed plants can completely transform the feeling of a home. Indoor plants are more than just decoration. They create comfort, improve mood, reduce stress, and make homes feel connected to nature. A beautifully decorated home filled with greenery becomes a peaceful place where people feel relaxed, happy, and inspired every single day.